So welcome to the Miracles and Science Center for Continuous Personal and Professional Development. Today, the 22nd of January. I come with another daily life lesson. As I promised, daily life lessons are intended to help us live balanced lives, better lives, prosperous lives, here and after. Now, this daily lesson tells us that of all the philosophical problems, the most difficult philosophical problem is suicide. It has been discussed by different philosophers, by different scientists, by different psychologists about the whole purpose of suicide. And it remains to date a philosophical problem, as much as it is probably a practical problem. Sometimes we find that people contemplate and actually even go ahead and commit suicide. Reasons, if you ask why, what is it that they are trying to solve, you find that it remains a problem. So it is important that of all the things that you can be able to think about, that should never be thought about, because number one, it is actually a permanent solution to a temporary problem. There's no any problem that you can counter in life that requires committing suicide. Suicide is simply a permanent solution to a temporary problem. Two, it is irreversible or irrevocable, because it is a decision that is made, and once it has been executed, it is irreversible. And yet we know that the different things that we understand in life we go through are highly tentative. Something today you are thinking about, tomorrow may change because of further information that you have. And then number three, it doesn't make life any better. So for example, in a situation in which you are committing suicide does not mean that it is going to make life better. So it is irrational. And that is why it remains a philosophical problem, but also, as you know, a physiological problem. It is also a psychological problem, and ultimately it is a practical problem that should always be avoided. And this has been a daily lesson for today.